Okay, so this is a tutorial for Trigen, start to finish. Go to this link, it'll be in the description, and download this. I'll just put it in my downloads folder, and then download whichever operating system you're on. So if you're on Windows, you could use either of these, but I'd recommend this one. And then if you're on older Macs, you can use this one. I'm going to download this one if I needed to. I already have. It's just a standard installer. And then you just open up this. And it's going to say don't run it, because it's going to run on Python, and it's thinking that's bad because most times it is bad. But I coded it myself and it's open, you can look at it. So once that opens, we can look at it. Takes a little bit. Alright, it's open. I think I accidentally clicked don't run. But it's going to open up a command window and a GUI. This is where all the stuff for the program comes out. And this is the program. So this is each of your sides that you've got here. So let's say I want triangles where side A in red, let's make those lines a bit thicker, has a side length of 4. And then I only want right triangles. No possible triangles, because it's right triangles. If we go here, scaling is anything that has different sides. So yeah. And then acute is anything where all the sides are less than 90, and obtuse is anything where the sides are bigger. So this angle there is bigger than 180. Or not bigger than 180, bigger than 90, sorry. And this is just both. And we can just scroll through all these. Or let's say we want to go to triangle 4. Or let's say we want, instead of a default side length of 10, we'll say a max of 16. And then it'll generate more, and there'll be more triangles to go through. And this is your side lengths here. Let's say that I wanted an 8 there. There's 4 of those triangles. And maybe a 2. No possible triangles, because that just isn't possible to make a triangle. 9 would probably work. Yeah, there's 1 of those. Rule of thumb is that this side length is going to be less than this one, which is going to be less than this one. Or this one is greater than this one, which is greater than this one. Or they're all the same. So we could do that. Oh, nope. I think, yeah. If we have 2 equal, then it has to be less, so that would work. Nope, that doesn't work. 2. Alright, hold on. So we could do these 2 are longer. Yeah, that's what I meant to say. So if you have this base, we can create isosceles triangles like this, where 2 sides are the same, which is what I was trying to do. And so we don't want anything like that. We don't want anything with a minimum side length of 4, so we'd put this at like 4, 6, and 6. There you go. So I hope that covers everything on how to use this, and thank you for watching.